Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. Friend, today I'm going to share with you how you can open incognito mode in your Google Chrome browser. So friend, let's see how we can do that. You simply open your Google Chrome browser, and friend, here you can see that this is my normal browser of Google Chrome. Okay, we want to open incognito mode in Google Chrome browser. Then simply click on this three dot icon which is available over here, and here you will see new incognito mode window. Okay, here you simply click on it, and now you can see that my incognito mode is open now. Here I can search google.com. It has many advantages of this browser. It will not store your location, not store your history, not store any cookies. Okay, this way you can easily search any website or any important thing you can search and serve by this browser. So friend, if this video helped you, then please click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment me below so I will give you the answer. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.